All right. We'll see if anyone gets in here, if we can. All right. We'll see if anyone gets in here, if we can. Get this set. My first time going live in a long while, guys, so please bear with me on this. We're going to be here just kind of watching the markets and seeing what's going on here with Meta. So we'll see if it works. I think I figured it out, but we'll see. Let's show live here. Let's go. All right, we'll see when this catches up here, guys. I'll be able to see the, let's refresh that. There we go. Think we got it figured out. Got the volume muted. See if some people get in here. This is kind of, I think Kenny in the last video I just did the live premiere on was mentioning about going live, so I want to see if people come in here for the live and wait till we get some people in here and be able to go from there. But yeah, Meta's looking over $4.04 right now, man. We're up 17% for today, so it is looking beautiful out there. Looking beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And we'll see. Like I said, this is kind of an impromptu, so we'll see if we get people joining in here. So the next probably 4 to 5 minutes, we'll see if we get some people in the chat. And we will keep monitoring here. Hopefully my chat feature is working for people. All right. See, I got the chat on the phone, so we'll see if we get some meta heads in here. All right, guys. All right, let's see if we can share this out. Let's do a refresh and see if we get anything. See, is it not letting people chat? Because I know I'd have people chatting if we got. Leave a comment in the live chat if you can chat on this. I want to make sure you got. Hey, there we go. So the chat is working. I'm just making sure the chat is working. Awesome. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for joining in the chat. All right, cool. All right, we got Rami here commenting as well. Seeing if my live chat here works. There we go. Thank you so much, bro. Keeping my hopes alive. 1040 down to $5 average. 5K shares. Rami, that is amazing, my man. That is amazing. Can I get an interview with George? I would love to get an interview with George. Let me tell you right now. That would be, yeah. Truly amazing. Why is my screen looking like that? Say, why was that looking like that? But anyway, yes. I would love to get an interview with George. That'd be truly phenomenal. All right, let's see here. We got, yeah, I did put a post out on my Twitter a while back. Maybe we can go look at that. Meta here at $4.06. Hey, thank you for joining in, people. I appreciate it. I usually don't go live, so a lot of my regular viewers probably don't even know that, yeah, that I'm probably even live, because I usually don't go live at all. So, let's go here to, where was it at? Right here. Look how many new posts is popping off here on the StockTwits, guys. Over 600 new MMAT posts. since I've got done that last video, it's probably been about 20-30 minutes since I got the new stream set up for you guys. Steven, what do you think MMAT will go to based on fundamentals? Now that's kind of a tricky one because it really depends on how long we're going out. But I would honestly see, I mean, this thing has such potential, and depending on the partnership we get, if you're going out 3, 5, 10 years out, I mean, this could be anywhere. I mean, it's a broad range of where we think it could go, but I'm thinking at least anywhere from $20, $30, $40, possibly $50. It just depends on the partnerships and stuff we get, but I do believe long term that there's some great stuff down the road from Meta. Are we expecting a special dividend? Well, yes, we are. We know the Torch assets are going to be sold, so we do know that that is going to be coming. Let's see where we're at. Wow, $4.12. Let's freaking go. Meta is on a roll. Just if you look at the chart here, let's go over this chart real quick. We started out the day down here, man. We were down to 330s, 340s. We shot up our first leg up to like 390. We tested 390. We bounced back here to like $3.80. We pushed back up to 390 again. We pushed back down to about 376 or so, and we shot back up here to $4.05. We did come back down to $4 roughly, and now we're just kind of breaking out, man. It is just $4.13, $4.14. It is just coming. Oh man, this is great. That did just answer that question. What is my long-term on Meta? I mean, it depends on exactly how far we're going out. But man, look at this here. Meta's just beasting right now at $4.15. Like, what the world is going on here? Meta is just, wow. I mean, long-term, we're going to fundamentals of the company. I'd say anywhere from between $20 and $40. We get the great partnerships. This could easily hit $50. Now, it depends on, are you going to be willing to hold through the bear market? $4.17. Let's go. Wow. This is just truly, truly amazing, man. Catching this live with you guys is truly phenomenal. Hey, Terry, love you over on MMATR. Can't wait for the triumphant Q&A session. Yeah, I know they're talking about doing that this weekend. We'll see what is going on. Hopefully we'll be able to do that. We're shooting up here for our next leg, guys. That's what's going on here in the chart here on Weeble. The chart, we're pushing up our next leg. We've had like a big run, a pullback, a run, a pullback, and now we're just busting out. We're going that George W. That's what we're looking at here. The George W. is busting out. When do you plan on taking your first set of profits? 100%, 200%, or 300%? That's a good question, Andy. Right now, I'm still deciding that answer for myself. I do have a good bit of shares in this, and I have to say, where do we want to take our first set of profits? Not right now. I mean, it's looking good, and I'm not looking right now. Honestly, it's kind of hard to tell where I think I'm going to take the first set of profits. I'm thinking maybe, I'm considering anywhere between maybe $8 and $10 would be considered taking some profits. Now, that's not saying I'm going to, because I do think it's all based on, momentum. I mean, look what happened to support. That thing shot up from $7 up to $40. I'd hate to be selling metamaterials MMAT at, we're going to hit $4.20 here live on 420. Smokey, he said if it hits 420, he could smoke one for the stream. Oh, man. Oh, God, this is great. Real quick, guys. Oh, don't drop back down. I want to get a picture for Smokey. Guys. Oh, it's going to come back down. We're going to get a little pullback. Darn it. I was hoping we hit 420 so I could take a picture for my man Smokey. That'd be so sweet. Ah, man, we were so close. Oh, 418, we're coming back. We're coming back. But yeah, man, truly phenomenal stuff here. Just so excited. I hope. Who was it? Oh God, what was it? 419. I feel like an auctioneer. Can I get 419? 419? Can we get 420? 420? I would like to get the 420 picture for my man Smokey. That would be truly phenomenal. 418. It's just bouncing on. We're up 20% today right now. This is truly just phenomenal. Real quick. This is the chart I did earlier on my video, so I wanted to run over this, guys, with you. The short squeeze transactions that we had on 8/26. We had total short sale transactions at 51. Total shares shorted was 152,021 shares. The total dollar amount of those shares shorted was over $530,000. And we had one person here short 15,000 shares, another one over 10,000, and this person over 10,000. That person spent over $51,000 on the one short position. Another one here at $37,000. Another one at another $37,000 on a short position. Let's refresh here on the Google and see what that says. 419 is just mooning right up, man. It's just mooning up. This is 21% gains right now. Wow, this is just truly phenomenal. All right, Weeble saying 417. The Google says that. Let's refresh. Weeble here. Weeble still says 417. Wow, over 900 and some posts. Let's just take a look at StockTwits. There is some funny stuff in here. I like just kind of browsing everything here. StockTwits is pretty funny, guys. Yeah, maybe we get my man Kenny back, man. That's who we need, Kenny. Kenny was the one asking for the live premiere. Wyatt says, that's great. Richard says, hell yeah, best thing to wake up to. Yes, it is, Richard. Maybe we'll get lucky and the hedges will post their lost porn over Reddit. Yes. Richard says 420. I got to get that picture for Smokey. All right, let's see here. 419. I got to get the picture for Smokey on the live stream. I'd like to get it on the Weeble for Smokey. As you see me here taking the picture, guys. Ah, come on, do it, Weeble. No, 418. Oh, I wanted to get, I mean, I know we tapped it. He can go back and look at the chart, but I'd like to actually get a picture of it saying 420. That'd be pretty sweet. All right, let's go here to Google and update that. Still saying 419 on the Google. Man, where are we going to end up with this bad boy at? This is, oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Let's get this back for Smokey. Get it live for Smoke Man. Come on. Bust out. Bust it out. Bust it out, 420. Yes, you see me taking a picture. I want to do this to be funny. I'm on 420. Don't fail me now. Come on, Weeble. I'll be back in the chat in a minute, guys. I'm just hoping to snap this thing. Come on, come on, come on. It's trying so hard to bust this. Oh, there it is. There we go. Picture for Smokey. Yeah. Oh my God, we're busting through it right now, guys. Oh man, we're busting through it. Wow, 423. We're on the next leg. Let's freaking go. I'm about ready to go get the freaking Mad Dog out, guys. Sorry, I got to get back to the chat now. Oh man. Your phone is scaring it, Terry. Yeah, it did, but now it's like, no, we don't even care about your phone. Let's freaking go. I'm about ready to go get the Mad Dog to really pump this bad boy up, man. That's when it really likes to. I think we need to go get the Mad Dog, man. We got 35 viewers in here. We're looking phenomenal. Yeah. Rudy says Mad Dog 2020. Yes. Absolutely, man. We're just here to talk, so I'm not really going to be doing any kind of due diligence or anything in this video. So we're just here to talk, celebrate the freaking moon market going on right now. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're going to do, guys. We're just here to enjoy this. I don't know if it's a short squeeze or just whatever the hell's going on. We're at 420, like 424. What? Whoa, we are just mooning today. Dame says Maryland. Yes, I do live in Maryland. I'm like 90 minutes from DC and Baltimore. So yeah, I'm like right up the road from Frederick, Maryland. If anyone's around this area, that's where I'm at. Steve says, Terry, I'll go grab my shine, brother. Let's effing go. And Andrew here says, on no news too, news may be coming. That is possible. I mean, for all this to be happening, is the FOMO setting in? I'm getting all kind of alerts on the phone, so it is pretty cool. We're just sitting here watching the screen. I'm going to keep the live up, and I got to go get the Mad Dog. I got to get the Mad Dog, guys. We are here celebrating like you wouldn't believe. So let me go get the Mad Dog. You all keep chatting it up for the Meta family, and we're witnessing this thing going to bust out 430. It just like $5 is coming in a matter of no time. Oh boy. All right, guys, so hang tight. I'll be back in like 20, 30 seconds. I got to go get the Mad Dog, and I'll be back. Be back. All right, guys, I am back. It is here. All right, where are we at? 425. Let's go. Rudy's saying, I'll grab some water because he's still working. Well, luckily for me, I had today off. I took a couple days vacation. Whew, talking so much. I did grab a soda as well, but we're up here, man. Let's see. Let me go back and catch up on some of the comments. Steve says he'll grab his orange creamsicle. Rudy says boom shakalaka. Andrew says haven't been green on MMAT in a while. It feels good. I'm just hoping it holds up supports. Absolutely. That's a very good point, Andrew. I think it will, honestly. We've been waiting for this day for a long time. We've been waiting for this. We was down getting beat up. Let's refresh this Google. Oh, wow. Look at that moon market going over 23%. What else we got here? Jim says, Andrew says, let me get back here. Yeah, Rudy said he's getting his water because he's still working. Hey, get whatever you can, guys. Absolutely. Andrew says, volume 2, looks like we have a decent volume day. Yes, absolutely. Jim says, doing copious shots of coffee in honor of today. We got here Rudy saying, happy Meta Day. Dame says, drops PR, we're 22 plus. Drops a dividend, $77. OMG. Jim Edwards says, when moon? When we're mooning right now. Steve says, hell yes, I'm up 20K. Steve, my man, congratulations. That is freaking amazing. Wow. Steve, I'm so happy for you, brother. You don't even know. Andrew says, we were getting kicked while down. This feels great. Just wish I got more at 2.8. Yes, that is true. I think we all do wish we would have bought more. I mean, we all had our positions built out, you know. And we didn't know if it was going to keep dipping So, you know, you do have to buy in moderation. You know, you can't put your life savings into something, even though we had our beliefs in it, but you still got to do what's financially best for you, you know. We got, I love this. Gonzo Ericman says, tell Kramer what is Metamaterials. It's a little Canadian metal company. That's what it is. Oh, God. Caesar says, this is crazy. Yes, it is, man. This is nuts. It is so, now I know how I think the people at, you know, people that was buying in support, I think there's, you know, we're starting to get a little bit of that feeling, man. Support was at 7, shot up to like 30, 40 bucks. Now I think it was coming back down. But yeah. It's here, guys. The good luck charm's out. Now we're 430. Let's freaking go. 430, 431 because we got the Mad Dog. Take your screenshots. All right, guys. I want y'all to take your screenshots of this right here. Let me get it out of George's face. Let me get myself out of George's face. Let me position it just right. Take your screenshots and put these screenshots on Twitter, StockTwits, Reddit. There it is, guys. I hope you all got that screenshot. Please take the screenshot there. Oh my God, look at this stock. I love communicating with you guys. This is phenomenal. We got to take a celebratory drink, guys. We're over 430. We just blew past Uncle Smokey's 420. I wish Smokey and Sterling was here as well, man. This is just amazing, amazing to see. Are we going to possibly touch $5 today? It's possible, man. We're just busting through the support lines. You know, I know we have the support, we have the technicals. Right now, there is no support. It's just mooning. It's just straight mooning, and I will be here as long as this thing keeps going up. I will be here, and we're going to celebrate with the Mad Dog. I hope someone took a screenshot of that. It was a beautiful picture. There it is. The good luck of the Mad Dog, guys. That's right. Let me get back here and go over some of these comments. Dame says 17K up. Congratulations. Yes, Richard Samuel says love Meta. Broke the 425 support. Absolutely. Rudy Love says, always buy the dip. Hell yeah, man. Always buy the dip. Rudy laughing. Andrew says, laugh my ass off. A little metal company is up 24%. Can someone like take a screenshot of this up 25% and tag Kramer in it? That'd be truly phenomenal. Dame says, over 20K shares. Let's squeeze so I can pay the house off and buy me a Mustang Mach-E. Hell yeah, man. That is the dream. That is phenomenal. I love hearing that. I love people. Oh my God, we're going to 436. We're up over 26%. We're just, look at this chart. I mean, unbelievable. Wow. Time Capsule says, huge gold deposit found. AUMN. Steve says, yes, great stuff. Thank you, Terry. I hope everyone are meta millionaires within 2 years. Steve said, boom. Yes, sir. Andrew Daniel says up 178% on my September calls. Congratulations, Andrew, on that, man. I'm so happy for you, my friend. Oh, we was touching 438. Wow. Then we got Rudy here. Thank you, George, for having such an amazing company. Yes. That's right here, man. That's what we say. In George, we trust. That's what I'm saying. In George, we freaking trust. Right there it is. Give them the NWO, man. The outsiders here. In George, we freaking trust. That's why we're in this company, man. It's a great company. We got a CEO. Oh, my God. We just busted 440, 425. Whoa. Did you see that there for a split second? It's busting the 420s. 430, what? Oh, man. All right, we're going to get back to the chat. Whoa, 440. Guys, we may hit $5 today. I got that here in the thumbnail, $4 or $5 or $6, but we may actually hit $5 freaking dollars. Let's go. All right, let's see here. Let's go over the comments. Andrew Daniel says, MMAT said, win resistance with the laughy face. Absolutely. Rudy, Meta, full moon tonight. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Steve said, I got a screenshot, Terry. How do I send it to you? Steve, you can. Steve, let me comment back here. My Twitter account is at TerryZ247. If you can drop it to me in Twitter, Steve, that would be phenomenal. That's probably the easiest way to send it to me. You can, I think you can send it to me like in a private chat, or just tag me on Twitter. That would work. Let me know if you have a Twitter, Steve. Steve is banned on Twitter. What? Oh, jeez. All right, and Facebook. Wow. Well, Steve, you could always join the Patreon group. That is linked down below. I think it's one of the first or second comments. You can join the Patreon group. Guys, as little as $1 to $3, $5 a month, it's whatever you want to donate. It's whatever you want to donate. I got some great material in there. I've had a lot of people give me some heartfelt messages. I've created some videos that I think make things a little bit simpler to understand. And I've honestly had some phenomenal messages that honestly, like, this is why I love doing this, guys. This is why I love communicating with you guys, because the messages that I've received in the Patreon group and how people say, Terry, I love the way you break it down. Guys, I don't have any kind of college degree or anything. I'm just an average guy trying to understand the stock market and learn with you guys. I like to have a little fun along the way. We joke around with the Mad Dog here. We're having fun. And yeah, it seems to bring good luck. So why break something that's good? It's good luck. Here we're setting at $4.34, and it's just phenomenal. We're probably due for a little bit of a pullback. I think we're going to see a pullback here. Yeah, Steve said thank you. He says, oh, I'm on it. Yes, go check out the Patreon group. Click that link, set up your account. You can access all my content and posts. I got stocks that I bought in there, stocks I sold in there. I got posts on MMAT options. As you said, someone here is over 100 and some % up on their options, so congratulations on that. I got detailed videos on how to break down, understanding the theta decay, delta, and all the different metrics of options in there. All right, let's get back to the chat here. Let me catch back up. And then we got, next one is N-Dog Strike, 382 average. Feels good to be green again. Yes, sir, it does. Trader Nate, MAT over 4. What was I talking about yesterday? Woot woot. That's right. Jim Edwards said 20 million volume. Let's effing go. Let's see. Rudy says, FOMO in the house, Terry. Yes, it is. Now, here comes this pullback. We're watching it right here live. We are due for a pullback. This thing shot up amazingly. We're going to see this pullback. This happened numerous times today, guys. Check this chart out. Here's the first one. It shot from the morning. $3.30. We shot up the first time to $3.60. We pulled back just a hair. It shot up to $3.65. It pulled back to $3.60. Then we just shot up to $3.90. We were testing the $3.90. It bounced off of it. It came back down. We were here at $3.70. We shot back up to $3.90. We tested it. We came back down to $3.77. Then boom, we shot up over the $4 mark. We hit that $4.04. We came back down to $4. It tested $4 and it just broke the $4. It went to $4.09. It kind of traded sideways for a little bit here. We came down to $4 line. We were testing it, and we tested the $4 line, and Meta said, to the moon, baby. That's right, to the moon. So Meta tested $4 and broke it easily. We were up here at $4.43, I believe, at the high. Let me see at the high, so it'll go. $4.45 was the high it hit today. $4.45, and now we're coming back down here to $4.30, and there it is. This is where our next little our pullback. It's a healthy pullback. There is probably a small pool of people taking some profits here, and now we're going to see how far this pullback goes before the next leg up. I honestly believe that's what's going to happen, guys. And thank you for the 69 viewers. Love the amazing number of viewers we have in here. That's right. Oh man, this is just truly phenomenal. Love reading the chat and just going over everything, you guys. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh man, I got all kind of notifications going on. Thank you all so much. Yes, 69 viewers. We got to keep it there, 69 viewers. So I did Rudy there, FOMO in the house. Andrew says, I want to see it if it holds 410. If anything, Jim says, slingshot off the VWAP. Ken says, good day. Hi, Terry. Hi, Ken. Ken Hancock, thank you for joining, my friend. I appreciate it. Peter K says, my goodness, I can't believe that I'm in the profit now. Plus $17.33 total profit. Hey, man, any profit is a profit. You're not losing money. Let's see here. G Life to the Moon has all the rocket ships. We are truly rocketing. Right now, we're on a little bit of a pullback. I think the rocket, is getting refueling. That's what's happening here. We were mooning so much, we had to stop at the local, Sheets. If anyone knows what Sheets is, Quick Trip, Rural Farms. We had to stop at the gas station and fuel up, the jet. We had to fuel up the jet, and we had to grab a bottle of Mad Dog. We had to grab the bottle of Mad Dog, and we had to fuel up because the next leg up is going to be a long haul. So we had to refuel up the ship, and we're just going to keep going. All right, so let's see where this thing actually comes back to. We're at $4.32. Let's keep going here. On the live stream chat, thank you guys so much. Steve says, thanks, Terry, for going live. Mad Dog 2020 live. Yes, sir. All right. With the strong arm. Andrew Daniel says, haha, nice. Peter K says 69. That's right, 69 viewers. Trade for Trades, like the video. Yes, please like the video. Rudy says, hit that like button for Terry, y'all. Hell yeah, smash the like button. Oh my God, Jim. Jim with the comment. Jim said, already ruined 3 pairs of pants today. Thanks, Meta. So I guess consider keeping a little bit of your gains to purchase some new pants there, Jim. Oh man, I love it. Tome Fu says, booyah. Michelle says, finally making profits. Thanks for keeping us updated. Absolutely, Michelle. That's what I'm here to do. Me, Smokey, and Sterling, that's what we're here to do, man. Just keep you guys updated. We're here to bring you the news. Whether it's good or bad, we're going to bring you the news. We recovering this stock down $2 and some. And yeah, when it was down low, we get a little, I'm a little emotional kind of guy. I got a little frustrated. I wasn't mad at Meta or the company. I was more upset with the stock market and how all the retail investor stocks were just getting red butchered every single day. And we finally have a day like this, and it just felt good to get it off my chest. I felt so much better after doing that video and getting it off my chest. All right, let's see what else we got here. Rudy says, LL Jim Edwards. Barry says, Jamie said MMAT is trash. Who is Jamie? I didn't see Jamie saying that. I would definitely ban someone if they said that. Tone for you, almost breaking even, loving Meta. We got Gersavok saying, appreciate you live streaming for this moment. Absolutely. I'm glad I figured it out. I didn't have my live stuff set up, so I'm glad I was able to figure it out. All right, let's see what else we got here. Ken Hancock, been of Meta and Torch before the merge. Awesome, Ken. I think we all have been here in some way, shape, or form. And yes, it is truly phenomenal, the community and family that we got here now. We got Barry Ellington, Jamie taking profits. Who is Jamie? I'm not seeing this. Who is Jamie? Who is Jamie taking? Hey, you know what? I don't have any problem if anyone wants to take any profits. That is totally your decision if you want to take profits. There's nothing wrong in taking profits, guys. But I don't know who Jamie is. But anyway, Jim Edwards says the VWAP but swung to the tune of bop. Jamie is Chunk? Chunk's taking profits? Wow. I do know Chunk. I couldn't remember. Oh, Jamie Vincent, yes. Well, you know what? Good for him. That's his decision. I'm not taking profits here. It's way too low. Now, there is a chance we can get a heavy pullback. It really is possible. Jamie Kramer. Yeah. Let's go here to the Google. $4.25, we're up 22%. I mean, you know, guys, it really just depends on how much money you have invested and how much you bought in. I mean, if you threw in, you know, a lot of money and you're up a couple grand, I don't have a problem with anyone taking it. Absolutely no problem at all. Congrats to Jamie for taking profits. I know I'm not looking to take profits here in the $4 range. You know, if it jumps back down to 2 or 3, you know, I could have had some extra gains. We'll see, but I don't really want to sell at this price point right now. I would like to get closer to like $8 maybe, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We're coming down here on the next downtrend, and then if you see this kind of happen here a couple of times today, and this is like our next leg. So this one here, I think, will determine what's going to happen next. As we're coming down, there's people taking profits, and we'll see what happens here, guys. Like I said, could you imagine if you were in support.com and, you know, it jumped from like, I think it was $7 and it jumped up to like 14, and then it's up to 30 or 40. Can you imagine how mad you would be at yourself? Could you just imagine? Let's do that one real quick. Let's do support stock. I want to look at the chart on support because, yeah. Wow, support is even going to 55? What? What? Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Okay. This is what I'm saying, guys. Right here's a good, I wanted to get it on the other support stock. Google. Wow, you gotta be kidding me. Wow, guys. Look at the 5-day on this. Wow. This is amazing. What? I thought it was really risky getting in. Here's what I'm saying. Not saying Meta is going to do what support's doing, but this is a good example of why I don't want to take profits at Meta at $4, okay? So let's go back here a month. This stock was trading $7, $6, $7, $8, you know, whatever, over the past month. We go here to the 5-day, it jumped up to $9 and $10. It went up to 14, came back down to 11. So people was getting about 50% gains there. Shot up to 15%. We hit this initial point at $20. And can you imagine, I mean, I understand, if you had this at $20, next thing you know, it shoots up to, what is that here? $38. It literally doubled in one like setting. It doubled, and now it's almost doubling again. Wow! I just want to say congratulations to the support family, man. That is just truly amazing. Let's go back here. G4 Life. Hey Terry, when do you think dividends will get paid? Dividends, I think, are supposed to happen, I believe, here sometime before the end of this year. They're going to sell the Torch assets and go from there. 16 or bust from Elrod, absolutely. Dame, I don't know if Jamie is chunk. We need confirmation if he take profits. Yeah, I don't know if chunk, man. I don't know. I don't know if I 100% believe if chunk. Guys, ever since I last was here, there's over 1,000 posts on Meta. Check that out. Wow, 1,000 posts on StockTwits. It's just blowing up right now on StockTwits. Truly, truly amazing right there. Let's see. Right here, I'm under George's page. Let's see if George has any posts going on. No, nothing from George right now. Tweets. See if George has anything. Oh, here we got something. Tweets and replies. So George did do something here a little bit ago. Looks like the solar panels without ability to track the sun. I wonder if there's any ideas on how to make those solar panels more efficient. Wow. Well, here's Jamie's page. I don't know if he necessarily... let's see here. out for a rip. Yeah, I don't know. He hasn't posted anything about taking profits. I don't know if that's the Jamie. I don't know, guys. I don't think Jamie took profits. But if he did, either way, I mean, you can't be mad at anyone for taking profits. Let's go here to my page here. Got the METATERRY shoe there. You got the EHOR. I mean, I'll tell you what. We did this. We covered this in a video of mine about how much the shorts lost in a 5-day period from the 25th. Because it says here the shorts were... They were down 4 million on a 4% move. Okay, if they were down that, how much are the shorts down on a 22% move today? All right, so we are coming back down to the test of this line right here at the 420. So I think that could be a support. Now, guys, like I said, I know Meta has nothing to do with sneakers. That was just a reply back off of George being at the founder of Nike's plaque. This one here does crack me up. I'm not gonna lie. Exact here. Wow, Exact with the Jim Cramer, Ken Griffith, Brokeback Mountain. Oh Lord, let's blow it up. Oh my God, this is so wrong. Oh man, that is just so damn funny. Like whoever did that. You cannot help but laugh, guys. You cannot help but laugh. Oh man. But anyway, yes. The shorts are down 4 million on a 4% move. They are down a ton today, man. Guys, if anyone like Ken here ask about the sneakers, I got them right off the Nike website. The Air Max 2017, you can get them right off the Nike website, guys. All right, we're starting to make a little rally here, guys. Check that out. We'll see. We hit this bottom, and now it's coming back up. So we'll see what happens. All right, cool. Steve, just put the screenshot under Reddit MMATR. Dame says, George prepping that PR. How much do you expect the dividends to pay at least? I mean, you know, I'm not getting my hopes up on any kind of special crazy amount of dividend, but I would say anywhere from $1 to $5 is honestly what I'm thinking. Grizzy, what's going on, my man? Thank you for joining, brother. This is just truly phenomenal. Yeah, that's his panels there. This was 1 hour ago. So that's that. Let's go under his media. Yeah, this was the reason here why I posted this, because I didn't realize when I first covered this that Philip H. Knight, guys, is the creator of Nike shoes, the Nike company. I did not know that when I covered it, and someone commented in one of my videos and mentioned that. Now George is wearing, I believe, Asics here, but I was just saying like we need to get George a pair of Nike shoes, so we need to get him the METATERRY shoes. So we can get him up to date with, you know, a person he really appreciates here. So that was the whole point of that. Let's see here. George is liking stuff. He did like Jamie's chunk here. The Metatalica. Love it right there. All right, let's get back here. Man, we got 96 viewers, man. This is truly amazing. Thank you guys so much. Oh, yeah, you can see the chart here, guys. We're coming back up. We tested the dip. We did. All right, so we hit this high up here, $4.45. We shot back down to about 420. Let's call it 420. And now we're back up to 426, 427. So this is what I'm saying. This is what's going to happen, man. We get these big legs up. There's a pullback, and then boom, we'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye on this. We'll keep an eye on it. I cannot get over support, guys. I mean, I have to say congratulations. I just wish, I'm hoping Meta can do the same thing. And I'm going to tell you, it's going to be hard not to sell if Meta shoots up to $20. That is going to be hard. That's going to be a hard one not to sell. But there's people out here probably still holding this that held up to 40. Can you imagine if you were buying in the $7 ranges back here? Like $8, $7 range, and you didn't sell at like this initial 20 right here, that's over like 125% gainer. Then overnight, literally the thing shot to $38, it pulled back, and then it's just mooning. It was up to 56, back down to 51. How long would this last, man? It is a risky game. You're talking about these short squeezes. I'm truly happy for the support gang out there. Yeah, that is truly, truly phenomenal. Wow. Unbelievable, man. I would love to see Meta do the same thing. And it is possible, guys. I'm not saying that it's going to happen, but it is possible we could have the same thing happen for us. It is very possible. So you do have to set, I guess, your own standards, because I'd hate to see people have huge gains and then there's a massive pullback and we didn't lock in some gains. So please create, I would say, 3 levels of support that you would be okay with selling your shares if it even went higher. You know what I mean? So if you're selling now and you get mad that it went up to like 7 or 8, I wouldn't sell here then. You know, you gotta be mad. You gotta be understanding of where are you okay with selling this stock at, and if it kept going up, you would be okay to sleep at night. So that's what you gotta do. You gotta set 3 levels of price targets for yourself. We're going up, guys. 431 again. We're going up. All right, let's see here. Let's get back to the comments here real quick. I love chatting with my meta heads, my meta family, my meta millionaires. That's right. I think I can almost say that we're not millionaires yet, but if we go up like support, man, we will be some meta millionaires. I'll tell you that right now. All right, let's see here. Steve says, I'm going to try and wait close to 20 if possible to take some That's a good point, Steve. That's a good price target to put. We got Grizzy there saying, let's effing go. Russell Maddox said, I'm average from 19, got down to 623. Wow. Congratulations, Russell's on averaging down. Russell got over 400 shares right now. Herban Islander says, not waiting on a squeeze, needs 66 to make a meal. Wow. If this hits $66, Herb would be a millionaire. That would be awesome. Halo House says $27 would be his price target. Andrew Daniels says, I'll take my profit on a call option before I sell my shares. That is true, guys. Now, if you're playing call options, it is very important to lock in profits on your call options, man. Those are time sensitive. Your shares, you can hold them 3, 5, 10, 20 years, whatever you want. But those call options have expiration date. This thing shoots up and it crashes back down, you just lost all your profits. You'll never be able to get them back in a call option unless the stock rallies again. But if you have your shares, you can hold on to them as long as you want to get those, to get that. Let's see here. Russell says, I'm not selling until 25 at least. That's a great price target. Absolutely it is. Probably will just hold it through that even. Yeah, I mean, you know, maybe sell a little bit, capture a little bit of gain. I mean, if we're at $4 right here and it shoots up $25, you're talking like a 500% gainer, 600% gainer. There's nothing wrong with taking some profits off the table. And if it goes up more, you just, you know, you sell a little bit more out. You know, just a little bit each time, you know, whatever you're comfortable with. Absolutely. Tone Fu says, I'll be happy at 150, half a mil. Wow, nice. Halo House only got 65 shares, but better than now. Hey, absolutely, you got shares. If you had 65 shares of support, you'd be a very happy camper. I mean, that's a lot of money. $54 a share. It's 65 shares. Yeah, that would be pretty darn happy. I would be happy. I would be happy. All right, looks like we're coming back. We had a little pop. We're coming back down a little bit, so we'll keep an eye on what happens here on the live price action. All right. Halo House says nothing meant. Ken says my sell goal is 41. Ken says $41 equals $1 million. Wow. That is awesome. Andre says, what up, Terry? What's going on, Andre? Thank you for joining. We're here watching. Oh, it looks like 4:30. We're trying to come back up. We're trying to come back up. Russell, I'm long January GME AMC holder, so this ain't nothing. That's true. I mean, AMC was trading at $5 for a while, and then it broke out. So this is just nice to see that. We'll see what the shorts do, man. Maybe we'll go take a look. Let's go see. We got Halo House, MAT, TEL, NMD are long positions. Very nice positions. Andre, do you think that is the beginning of a short squeeze? It's possible. I'm not saying it is. But something is brewing up. Speaking of that, I want to look at, I got to get the Fintel website pulled up, guys. I got to look at the Fintel and see if we have any updates on the Fintel here. Let's see. So we got 154 institutional owners. Let's scroll down here. We got the ownership accumulation score, 97.84, ranked 456 out of 124,000 stocks, man. The ownership accumulation score is amazing because that means how many institution big totes are out there loading up this stock. This is truly phenomenal. Hey, we do have an update here today. Wow, interesting. This is a nice one here. So we got a new update. U.S. Mix Extended Market Index Fund disclosed they increased their position. Well, maybe this was a sell. Maybe because it says negative shares change. Let's click on it and see what it says, because we do got to know what's going on here. Related Torchlight Energy preferred stock, latest disclosed 78,000. Let's see, form disclosing that ownership of 10,436 shares of Metamaterials with the holdings of $78,165 as of 6/30. Disclosing 21,000. So what they do here says, has fund entered a file disclosing 21,077 shares at Meta valued at 38,000. These represent negative 50% change in value of 100%, 105% during the quarter. So that's what they did. It looks like they sold 50% of their position. And out of that 50% of their, out of their 50%, they made 235% profit. So there you go. They were probably buying, they were buying here at $1.25. $1.25, probably 46 cents. They were loading this up. They sold at $4.65. So there's that coming out. That is very interesting. So now they sold half their position. So they did have 21,077 shares. Now they're down to 10,400 shares. So very interesting. We got that update right there. Let's go back to Meta. All right, so let's go back to, let's see. Got to go back here to Barrett. What would this go up to next week too? My average is 6.4. Honestly, it just depends on the volume, man. We keep getting this volume in here. Maybe some institutions or big money knows something's going on, or this could be shorts covering their position. It is possible. What's the Ortex data on this? Russell, I don't have the premium Ortex version, so I will let Sterling and Smokey cover Ortex data because I don't have Ortex. Over 100 people watching, man. Thank you all so much. I truly appreciate it. Here we go. Baylor, what's up, Mayor of Genog? You always finding the gems. Yes, Ballyard. Yes, thank you, man. One of my old Golden Nugget family. We were in Golden Nugget. Learned a valuable lesson. I was buying that stock at $11, $12, and $13. Ticker symbol GNOG. It recently got acquired by DraftKings. We were covering that stock a long time ago. I had that stock at $11, $12, and $13. It shot up to $27. I didn't take profit. The market crashed. It came back down to $11, $12. I was bag holding it, and the stock shot up to like $18, $20. I sold it on the news of the Golden Nugget being acquired by DraftKings. I took that money and I bought more MMAT with it. That's exactly what I did. And now we're getting rewarded here, up 24% today on that investment. So yes, truly happy on what's going on with that. Let's see here. Steve said, when I said 20, that's just taking a small profit. Yes. I think 20 is a good number to start taking profits. Maybe take 10%, maybe take 20% of your position. 10, 20% in there, maybe up to 25% of your position, whatever you feel comfortable with. That's totally your decision on what you want to do. But yeah, $20 is a great price. I mean, you're talking $2,000 per 100 shares at $20. That would just be amazing. That would be amazing. Plus, we get the dividends. People can rebuy back in this thing. Who knows where it's going to go? What else we got here? Urban Islander says they don't want none of our small metals company. Yes, yeah, Kramer. What do you think about this one? We're almost up 24.5. Well, we are up 24.5% live right now. All right, let's see what else we got here. Harley Quinn, my average is 392, and I have 321 shares. How high do you think it would be next week? That's tough to guess next week what's going to happen. I do believe the market probably feels a little better after hearing Jerome Powell speak this morning. I did go over on Sterling's live premiere, and I think he seems pretty, positive on what Jerome said. So I'd like to see us consolidate out here, maybe get another leg up here in a little bit. That would truly be phenomenal. But let's see, what was the question again? What would be think highs next week? I mean, if you look at support, let's say we trend like support. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to trend like support. Let's see here. That was that. Let me go back here. Wow, still 299 posts there on that. But yeah, support was jumping up so much that, if we trend even a little bit like them, we could easily see $8 to $10. Because they were, now that's saying if what I'd like to see is people take profit out of support and come to Meta, because if all those people was investing at $7, $8, $10 in support, and it's up to $50 some a share right now, and all that money from support came into Meta with how much of institutional money we have in here, and there's a low float with the high short squeeze going on, this thing could just trend just like support. It truly could trend like support, guys. It truly could. So I'd like to see anywhere between $6 and $8 next week. That's what I'd like to see. I'm assuming we'll see what the market does. We'll see what it does. But I'd like to see $6 to $8 was what I'd like to see next week. All right, let's see. What else we got here? Gil says 3,200 shares. My average is 719. If it goes to 20, I'll take my original investment, play with the that's smart. That is a good game plan. If you get up to where you're over 100 and some percent in gains, there's nothing wrong with taking out 50%. Will take your whole invest. So let's just say, for example, you threw $1,000 in Meta at $4. Let's say you put $1,000 in at $4. Meta shoots to $8. There's nothing wrong with selling your shares, getting your $1,000 back, and letting the rest ride. Because then, as they say in the casino, you're playing on house money. You're not really risking your own money. But when your own money's out there, it's a little risky. But if you take your initial investment back, now this for me, I'm not taking anything out. In 23%, yes, is very phenomenal. I'm truly happy. But I'm not cashing out anything at $4, guys. There's no way I'm selling here for. I don't think any true meta head, metaholic, meta millionaire, that no one's selling here at $4. But there could be. That's totally. Hey, if you bought this and want to sell it, go for it. I don't have no problem with anyone taking money. All right, Candace, I'm less than $1 away from profit, but I'll still holding down the payment for a house. Only 700 shares at 520. Awesome, Candace. That is truly awesome. We'll see what happens here. I hope we get back for you here shortly. I'd like to see us jump to $8 next week. That would truly be phenomenal. All right, let's see here. What do we got? Next one here. Terry, any updates on the dividend? No, I have no future updates on the dividend, guys, unfortunately. Of course, we'll hear that from George or Metamaterials or one of them first. SL says, 7,800 shares at $3. Very nice, man. That's amazing. Steve says, so once MAT hits 5, Mark does the trigger more institutions to buy. That's a good point. That is a good point. If it hits $5, does it trigger institutions to buy more? That could be it. They could average up. Some of these institutions still could average down, because if we look, not that, but if we look at a lot of these institutions, guys, they're in the $7 averages now. These were 30, 45 days ago, but still, I mean, still, they could average down. They probably were averaging down the 2 and 3s, honestly. And we'll get that updated information down the road. We will get that information. All right, where are we at here? We're kind of consolidating right now. This is a consolidation going on. We're hanging here in the 427, 425. 425 to 430, we're hanging in here. All right, what do we got here? Russell here made a good point. If you haven't learned from GME and AMC, you don't sell, the price shoots up. Yes, absolutely. Rick Morgan. Yeah, hey, buddy, what's going on, Rick? Squeeze, baby, let's go. Yes, sir. Let's get the squeeze going. Urban Islander says, one of the main talking points for the merger was the reverse split was meant to put the price above 5 because many institutions don't and can't buy sub $5. Don't know how true that is. Honestly, I don't either. I don't know if that's true or false or what's going on there, but all right, we're getting a little price ag. We're starting to slowly creep up here. Rick says, GNOG 2, let's go. Yes, I like to see GNOG succeed as well. DG, this is not time to sell people. You'd be selling yourself. Sure, I do agree. DJ, I agree with that. If you are selling now, I have to agree that I think you're selling yourself a little short. Like I said, I think I'm not selling yet, and I think this is just the start. We looked at the support chart of that stock, and I'd hate to sell out now and see us get to $20, and then I'd hate to see us shoot up to $40, $50 and people miss out on those gains because we sold out here for a little bit of gains in the $4 range. Oh, 430 again. All right, so Big Rook says 35 quarter million and still have my preferred shares. Nice. Trade for trades, $5 power. It could be, man. We could, was it 122 Eastern time? So we still got about 2.5 hours here. All right, what else we got? Keep holding, y'all. GME potential. Yes, this is a GME potential, man. We did have, let me go here to Twitter, and I can show you what I have seen. Oh, what do we got here? 15% new high of the day. Yeah, this is MMAT News, man. I love their Twitter page. They have a lot of great information. There's where they posted we were over $4. Only people who have been here before the merge are allowed to like this post. Gotta like that. George is pretty active today, man. George is out here posting. What's also interesting is that you research the cost of hydraulic tracking for Unity scale solar. You will find that it's now 50% of the total cost, or 20 cents per watt. George is out here being active, guys. They posted here about the Fintel, which we covered that. Here's a post that I think is interesting as well. Metamaterials News retweeted this from Daniel, Ontario. Don't forget, Metamaterials expected to have potential partnerships coming up. Don't know who the partners are, but when they are, but as of now, it's guaranteed in the future. And this is the post from George. Right here it is, guys. This is the post from George. I understand concerns, but I've never been more confident in Meta's future prospects, and many things are in the work. I'm not allowed to indicate the timings or who are the potential partners until they become public. There is a process in place. He posted that July the 12th, so about a month and a half ago, George posted that. So keep that in mind. All right, what else we got down here? Yeah, here's the one. Yes, this is what we need to cover. This was the I think this was FinWiz or Ortex right here. Metamaterials, the NASDAQ. The short percent of float is 43%, guys. 43% of float. 43.1. Clove has 15.8. AMC has 20.6. Support 40.98 and GME 13.2. So we're even above support, and that's what's truly phenomenal. 43% from Meta. Here is some of the Ortex. Ortex put out a notification. They posted this as well, so I can get this from there. They put out the short squeeze notification today, and I do think that that is possible. Ortex put that out. This is a short squeeze candidate. They last posted that back on, they did a post on June 16th, June 22nd, and they posted it out today. So very interesting there to see. Where are we back at here? All right, we're starting to make a leg up. We're starting to make a little leg up, guys. Let's just go over here. And let me refresh StockTwits because my StockTwits is loading up. There's so much going on StockTwits it can't even keep up. Yes, DG says hold. Absolutely. Mark, what is your price target MMAT? Right now, my price target is going to be the moon. That's my price target, is the moon. All right, here we go. Guys, also real quick, go check out the Reddit forum, MMATR. It's a great group of guys in here. Great information in this subreddit group. Plus, check out Reddit MMAT, of course, but also check out MMATR as well. It's like StockTwits is like freezing up. All right, let's go here. What do we got? Twitter. Let's get a new tab. Let's go here to StockTwits, MMAT. Man, look at that chart. Wow. 3-minute MACD may cross again. I'm loving 2 and loving MMAT. Hello, shorts. This is you now. Oh, man. I'll tell you what. Oh, man, it's funny. If you sell good, we don't need idiots on our team. Oh, man. I'll tell you what. Someone here has a post. LG demonstrates 6G data. Yeah, there's some interesting stuff. Like I said, this one here says, I wonder. Next big thing. I love going through here, just kind of, hey shorts, I got you, don't worry, Shaq. Oh man. All right, let's see what else we got here. Oh guys, I did see the other day, real quick, I did see the other day that Meet Kevin actually, Meet Kevin did kind of, he didn't really talk about metamaterials, but he showed it on his live stream for a little bit, and I did see that. So I was thinking about maybe doing just a separate small little video of that, but yeah, very interesting there. Just it was Meet Kevin. He did talk about. Let's go back to the comments here real quick. We'll let the chart run its course here. All right. Do you see another split in the No, I don't see another split in the future, guys. I don't. I'm pretty sure George confirmed there's going to be no split. Nothing like that's going to happen. No split coming in the future. Ken says, can't wait for the Torch dividends to come. Setting with 40,000 preferred shares. Wow. That is awesome. Martin says, let's go, Terry. Hell yeah, Martin. Thank you so much. Martin says, Meta 8's where's Smokey? I believe Smokey is possibly working. He was in the Sterling chat this morning, and he kept saying customers keep coming in, and he couldn't get on Sterling's live stream. He's like, damn. And I said, damn customers interrupting Smokey trying to keep up. I know this is killing Smokey that he can't be here for this. And honestly, I normally wouldn't be able to be here as well, guys, but I I have today off work, and I tell you, it's truly phenomenal to have this off work, to be able to cover this live, like live stream this, man. This is truly amazing. All right, let's see. I got to get back here. I have, Dinez says I have 500 shares crushed before buy and hold. Russell says once EVs really start ramping up, MMAT will be $50 plus. I'm confident. Martin says George has the EV ace in his pocket with Tesla. Russell says you all are going to make this dip at 20. I know it's shameful. Russell says if you sell at 20, you're paper handed and you know it. Wow. I mean, as we know, I just want to cover this real quick. As we know, us retail, there's a lot of us in this one, but if anyone just sold a little bit, there's going to be more people buying it up at 20. I don't think there's nothing wrong with it 20, possibly taking out your initial investment. I don't see anything wrong with that. I mean, taking out your initial investment at 20 is pretty good. Martin says MMAT Power Hour. All right, Urban on there. Okay, let's make a deal. If you sell now or 20, I won't be upset, but in turn, please don't be mad when I drive my Lambo at 100. All right. Martin says, love MMAT getting spotlight with other YouTubers. Yes. Nathaniel says, $10 soon. Hell yeah, I would love to see $10. G for life, don't sell it. Could be the next GME. It really could, man. This really has potential. We showed you the Orte. All right, it says it's reconnected, successful. All right, are we back now, guys? Sorry, my OBS like froze up or something. I think we're back now. I think we're good. Okay. All right, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. My internet here lagged a little bit, which I don't know what happened. We got so much MMAT action that the internet can't handle it. And I had like the premium freaking package, man. I have like the highest package I can get in my area. I have like a 20 upload, terabyte of data. I have all that, man. So we're definitely good to go. Hanal says, where can I get news on a partnership? I would definitely say on that, go to their investor presentation. You can look at who they're all kind of dealing with. Looks like we're starting to rally up a little bit, guys. Starting to get a small rally back up. We'll see if it gets there. All right, let's see. Gula's add 27 shares at $13.50. Let's go. Yes. Hanal says me too. Gula says I'm still buying. Russell Maddox says taking out your initial investment equals paper hand. Well, you know, that really depends, man. It really depends on your financial situation. Everybody is in a different financial place. That's what I gotta say about that. If you have money, tons of money loaded in the bank, then yeah, you could do that. But it just really depends on your financial situation. That's all I really want to say about that. It's your money, it's your decision. That's all, you know. It's your money, your decision. You make it. I'm just here giving you information, whatever you want to do. I'm not selling these prices, but we'll see what happens. Key to escape the matrix. My average was $7. Average down to $4.50. Wow. Well, you were almost there, man. I would love to see $4.55 today. Joe says yes. Dame's internet lag here too on the base. Nathaniel says hedgy shorties cutting off. Yeah, they are, man. God, they're gonna ban my YouTube next. We don't want that to happen. I've seen where they did this to a lot of the. No, I'm not a big YouTuber at all, guys. I'm just a small little guy. Get a couple thousand views here and there on some metamaterial information, but we'll see what happens. What else we got here? Dame just now. Urban Islander, even the internet trying to keep this metals company down. Maybe Jim Cramer has something going on here with us, guys. All right. You know, here's a good post I want to read, and I truly agree with it. This here, I think, sums up everything. Tofu Smuggler. Love the name, by the way. It's a great, fantastic name. This week is simply confirmation of knowing what we own. Just the beginning. That there, man, is true. That is totally true. Jason Ross, what is all the buying from? Shorts covering yet? I don't know. We don't know if the shorts are covering. That's hard to tell. It could be some shorts covering, absolutely. But it also could be big institutions loading up on this, man. Maybe someone has a hint, like an idea on something going on. But something's happening today for this much volume to be going on. Ahmed says, should I buy? Well, that's totally your question to answer yourself. Should you buy? That's you. It's on your financial situation. If you want to buy, that's totally up to you. Rudy, are the shorts covering or is it FOMO? I think it could be a little bit of each. It could be a little bit of each. And it could be, I mean, there's a possibility. It could be a little bit of money from other plays. We did cover, I put out a video last night on Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, guys, sold over 2.3, I think, million shares for like $340 some million. I put a video out on that. Now, I'm not saying that Tim Cook is buying it. What I'm saying is the large cap stocks are way overvalued. Way overvalued. And we talked about rotation of money. There's going to be a rotation of money coming in from the large cap stocks down to the low and mid cap stocks. Now, as we know, when that big money from the large caps comes down to the low and mid cap stocks, it moves stocks. It literally moves stocks like crazy. It moves them. It's just the way it is. These small market caps can easily get boosted up and easy with some purchases from the large cap money. So I think that's a little bit of what's going on here. All right, let's see. Russell Maddox says, like Keenan says, you're going to sell low and come crying to me. I'm not having that. True, true. Jason Ross, I mean, either way, it's way too long play for sure. Ghost says, everyone knows do the opposite of Jim Cramer. Absolutely. Gio says, George just came back from the police security show. Nice. Rudy, Kathy Lee is all in. What, Kathy Lee? Kathy Lee's all in. Steve, kind of strange. Very little zone to press about MMAT today. Yeah. Jason says, no doubt. Let's see. Russell says it all depends. If you take out your initial investment, it means you really don't have the cojones to play the stock game. Just sell all of it and let us buy your shares and make real money. Well, like I said, that really depends on... Russell, I understand what you're saying, but it just depends on everyone's financial situation. That's what it really boils down to. Everyone has their own financial situation. All right, so Jeff says average down to 546, have 1,000 shares. I love the YouTube name. The bank is open now. Who's paying the next special dividend? And he put the fire emojis there. So let's do a refresh on the Weeble. There we go. Nice little updated chart. You can kind of see, man, we're stair-stepping here. We're stair-stepping here on the chart. That's what's going on. We're stair-stepping, and we're just slowly creeping back up to this high at $4.45. That's it seems to be our next level of support. If we can bust above that, I would say probably $5, guys. If we could break this 440 and hold over that 445, I mean, look at that chart. Wow. Yeah, that is just truly amazing. All right. I got so many people, I got so many notifications on my phone. It's just truly phenomenal. Man, we got here. Dame said, first we got Ahmed, where do you see this going next week? Next week, I'd like to see $6 to $8. That's where I'd like to see this next week. I hope we can do it. Dame, break that 440 OMG. Yes, please break it. If we break that, we're 439. We're testing it. 440. We're tapping the line, guys. We're tapping it. We're at this next level. 441. We're testing it. We are testing it, baby. We can get past that 440 mark and hold. It's going to be good shit. Going to be good stuff, guys. We're at the 440 testing it. All right, man, if George would drop some kind of PR today, oh, man. Oh, this would be, wow. All right, what do we got here going on? Joe Watson, Meta is a meat packing company from Mexico. Yeah. Oh, geez. Hey, the bank is open. Thank you. Thank you very, very much for the super chat, my man. We got the spoiler alert super chat. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for all your support. Someone says, is there any technical analysis you see like triangles or anything? Now, I'm going to be honest. I am not a technical analysis guy on the chart. I'll be honest. That's Smokey. Smokey is the technical analysis guy on the chart. So I'm going to let Smokey cover the technical analysis for his video later, because as I can just see from my knowledge here, we moon up, we hit this resistant level, we come back a little bit, we test it. And we've been tapping right here, guys. We're getting there, man. We tapped this once. Now I do know we tapped this 445 once. Actually 446 now. Wow. So we're testing it again. We're up here. We shot up. We came back down. We had a healthy pullback at 420. And now we're just testing this line again. That's what it is. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to let Smokey cover the technical analysis of this chart, because I cannot wait to watch that tonight. I will be there watching. And hopefully Smokey will do what he said he was going to do about possibly having a smoke. I got the Mad Dog. Smokey has the smokes. I don't know what Sterling is going to do. I know Sterling was going back to work. He's going to come live later, so make sure you go check out Sterling later. I know he's going to come towards market close. I believe Sterling had to go back to work. All right. When would you bear out things? When would the dividend shares be paid? Any idea of what the amount would be? Only information I can tell you is that they're looking to sell the torch land before the year end, get everything sold and paid out. So I'm thinking dividend, in my personal opinion, is going to be anywhere from $1 to $5. I know they said anywhere from $1 to $20. That is just a really broad range. I like to go $1 to $5 being conservative. And if it goes above $5, we celebrate with Mad Dog. That's what we do. We just keep celebrating, guys. We are getting... We are really testing this 445, man. We just keep bouncing off of it. All right. We got... If they release testing a partnership today, shorts would be F. Yeah, they would be. Yes, they would. Oh, man. If they would announce a partnership today, woo-wee is all I'm going to say. Let's go back to home here. And... all right. There you go. Sterling has... Sterling was mad he missed the 420. Think what cool down. He bought 100 shares at 420. So there it is for Smokey. Oh, man. That's good stuff. Good stuff. Yes, we need to go here to George's page. I wonder if George has posted anything on this craziness. You know George is back just chilling, loving this, man. He would love to come out with some PR today. I know he would like to. He's out here liking it. Reply there 3 hours. I'm seeing if he has anything new out. Nothing new there. And likes. And 1 hour ago he did like that. So George is out here today, man. I'm telling you, George is out. Let's go to... Let's refresh Fintel. Calling it next week. Yeah, this is truly good. Back up to 4. Let's see. Yes, squeeze next week. We going over 100. Jimmy likes eggs. I agree, man. I would love to see it. I would love to see it. I'm curious to see what support does because I like to see us run along support. Steve says back to 441. Andre 444. Star short squeeze is on. I think something's going on. It's either a short squeeze or people buying because of. Oh, we're gonna move now, baby. We busted through the line at 450s. What? Whoa! We just busted through that support. We'll see what happens. Oh, it's coming back down, but we busted through the 450s. Oh my God, did we bust through that? Wow. Are we going to be able to hold it is the question, guys. Wow. Unbelievable. 452. Trying to get my phone charger here, guys. It's a little crazy. My phone's getting a little low, and I don't want to leave yet with this craziness going on. Where is my phone charger at? Where are you at, phone charger? I know I have you here somewhere. No. No, I had that charger here somewhere. Well, anyway, 452, man. We busted the support, guys. We busted the support. Let's squeeze 450. Meta champions, yes. Rick, I'm going to buy 1,000 more shares now. Hell yeah. Forget the moon, let's go to Mars. Yes! Oh, man. This is unbelievable. I am so happy, guys, that I know, it's hard for all of us to get on here, but it's so nice that I'm so happy I had today off work to cover this with you guys. It's truly phenomenal. Please hold the 450. I would love to see us hold the 450 because just from my little bit of analysis I got here, we tested it. We had a healthy pullback. We stepped the whole way back up, and we're in the 450. So we'll see what happens here. There could be another sell-up. This is a crucial point here at the 450s, guys. This is very crucial. So we'll see what happens. Oh, here we go. We're going to see what happens. I got my charger, yes. Let's make sure we get this on here and get it hooked up. There we go. Just get something on here. Give me a little bit. No dancing. No, I'm not going to be dancing, guys. I'm not a dancer. 448. So we'll see. We will see if we hold this support. It is possible to come down. That was a good bust through, man. So hoping we close over 4. I would think we would. I would think we're going to close above 4. Steve says 160% up on short. Wow. That is awesome, man. That is so amazing. What do we got here going on? What do we got going on here at Meta? METATRRY. Let's go to Google. And let's do this. Let's see if there's any news out on MMAT. Oh, yeah, look at that beautiful chart, man. That is phenomenal. Anything on MetaMaterials website? Hey, Sandra. Booyah, baby. That's right, Rudy. Yes. I'm going to see if... Sorry, guys. There's so much going on. I can't... I'm just kind of browsing the chat as I'm trying to see if we got anything going on here. 4-4. We're testing this 440, 450. 450 is a crucial line for the next leg up, and we'll see if we can test that. In the meantime, we're going to see if there's anything out on Meta's site. So someone asked, what does Meta do? So I'm going to go over real quick a little bit of what Meta does. Maybe people's buying the stock and they don't even know what it is. So let's go over what they got. They cover aerospace and defense. Our solutions range from optical filtering to EMI shielding to de-icing and defogging. Automotive. Our emerging technologies can benefit the automotive industry. Consumer electronics. Our nanoweb technology is one of the only viable alternatives to ITO. It offers very high conductivity and optical transmission can outperform many current smartphones. We also got energy. We're developing new solar films that have potential to increase solar cell efficiency by collecting and absorbing light from all angles. We're also into medical through research and development. We are pioneering cutting-edge wireless devices in medical diagnostics and monitoring. And we can go here to the Meta shop. We got the Meta Air Aviation Laser Glare Protection glasses. They're $1,000. We also have the Meta Air Holyptics and the NanoWeb. That is currently products, and they customize them for what you need. This is exactly what it is. They customize stuff for what you need. So let's see, we go back to the home page here. Let's go back. There we go. And let's go to investors, news and events. Yeah, there's nothing since the 19th, guys. So, yeah, we tested that 450, and it didn't like it too much. We're back down to 445, but we could be seeing the old George W here because we hit that 450, we busted it. We was up now 455 was the high point right there. We hit 455, it bounced off of it. So we're going to see where it comes back down to. We're going to see where it comes back down to. In that time, we'll go back here to the chat real quick. Glad to see you here, Sandra. Yes. Can you see if anything came out of those shows? Matrix has cheers. Whoa! Oh my God, Sandra! Wow, Sandra! Are you kidding me? Wow, that is so freaking generous and awesome. Wow, Sandra, you're making me like speechless here, man. Whoa! Oh my Lord, Sandra, you are just. Thank you so much on that. I gotta have a toast for Sandra. This toast is for Sandra. So Sandra, I don't care if you have a bottle of water. I don't care if you have a soda, tea, lemonade, whatever you got, or if you have a beverage. Get your drink, Sandra. Get your drink, Sandra. And we're gonna all toast it. Oh, the Meta family, get your drink out right now. We're gonna toast in honor of Sandra for that amazing super chat, man. Plus she did one earlier on my video. So Sandra, you are just. Wow, thank you so much, man. That truly means a lot. I know I'm going to get my money so I can get some soundproofing in here. That's what I'm looking to do. I know people I got to get a filter for the microphone. People said the volume sometimes can echo stuff a little bit, but I'm going to get maybe some soundproofing back here. Maybe just do some things to the room to help, because I have this room, guys, just for wow. But anyway, I'm just so speedy. I gotta get this room, and that's gonna go a long way to help getting the soundproofing and all. So y'all get your drinks. We got the Mad Dog 2020 Blue Raspberry. We got a little bit left. With Sandra here, hooked me up now. We can get plenty of bottles of the Mad Dog. Counselor Murray, I'm new to the community and getting Mad Dog 2020. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, my friend, with the super chat. Yes. Oh my God, you guys are amazing. Yes. All right, so get your drink. Let's have a toast. Meta, baby! Woo! There it is, man. In George we trust. I do want to welcome Counselor Murray to the family. Thank you for joining in, man. We've been covering Meta back since it was a ticker symbol TRCH, Torchlight Energy. We've been covering this while for a few months. Also, Counselor, if you want to get the best information on this stock and the community of this stock, there's a couple other people you need to go check out. And let me go to, this was Meta. Let me go to Google. Just want to do this for the stream, guys, here. Let me go to YouTube. Rudy! Oh my God, Rudy! Love this family. Thank Terry for all you do. Rudy, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. You don't even know. Like, this is truly amazing. We got 140 people here on the live stream as Meta's going nuts. Truly love it. Guys, also, if you're new to the community, if you're new to the Meta community, here's another guy you got to go check out, man. Sterling Stocks. Please go check him out. He's phenomenal. He covers Meta as well. He gives you great information, great DD, great, information on Meta and what you want to know. So please, if you don't have Sterling, go subscribe to him. I believe he's going to go live here a little later on, covering the market end. So I'll make sure to have my live stream done so we can go over and be a part of Sterling's live stream as well. So go check out Sterling Stocks. And also, we got to go check out Uncle Smokey. And also, if you're new to the community, make sure, this was his new one here. I wanted to go to his actual page. Here we go. Guys, if you want to get, someone was asking about technical analysis of charts. Uncle Smokey's stock trades, man. He gives the most amazing technical analysis on charts that I've ever seen. So if you want to get your technical analysis of charts, this is the man you want to get it to. I'll be honest, it's not me. I'm not a technical analysis chart guy. I'm be straight up honest. That's Smokey. And I love watching his technical analysis of Meta. So these are the two guys that I keep up with because we all have our own flavor in how we present the news of Meta, and we all give a little different perspective and things out there. So these are the guys to go check out, man. These are the guys. Where are we hanging? All right, we're coming back a little bit here. This is expected. I expected a pullback. We hit that 450 hard. We hit the 450 hard. Ken! What? Ken, thank you so much, man. Wow. Oh my God, Ken, you are truly phenomenal, man. You guys are just like making me so smiling right now. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God. Man, you guys are just man, truly awesome. Truly, truly awesome. I do got some extra money in my brokerages. I think I'm about to go buy them. Whatever, even if it's just 5-10 shares of Meta, I'm about to go buy it out. The money that you guys are donating, thank you so much. I'm going to plan on getting some soundproofing in here, or I may get a filter for the microphone. So that's what I'm going to do. I think that's what I'm going to do with the money, get a filter for the microphone. But how do you all guys think about the audio? I don't see everyone saying the audio is bad. My room here is bare. The room is bare. I just have basically an empty room with my desk here. I have a glass desk, got the TV, got my laptop on my stand. I got the studio lighting. I got all kind of stuff going on. So you all saying the audio is great. So it's just a few people here and there that say that, the audio at times can echo and things like that. But someone says you're a little blurry. Yeah, I think I am a little blurry. I've been on the stream a little bit, and I think my Wi-Fi is... Someone says, I honestly like the audio this way. I don't know why. Yeah, when I watch these back, I do watch my videos back because I like to see how I can improve for the next video. The buzzing sound in the background, I can tell you that's my air conditioner. It is like, I live here in Maryland, and where I'm at in Maryland, it is like 90 plus degrees, and it feels like 95 to 100. It is blazing hot. But let me see if I can turn the... Maybe that might help, guys. There we go. I think that might help. Yes. I put the speed of the air conditioner on low, so that's probably what you were hearing. This room it's a small little room. I have my setup in here, and it gets really hot super quick, so I have to have an air conditioner on, or you'll see me out here sweating bullets, man. You guys will see me sweating bullets if I don't have that AC on, so hopefully I turn that down. That'll be good. Meta's coming back up to 445, that test, man. Man, we are not done today. We are not done. Check out this pattern, this like George W going on, man. Like what We've just been stair-stepping all day. Stair-stepping, stair-stepping, stair-stepping. Oh man, this is just unbelievable what we got going on here. Truly amazing. And now we're back here. We tested this, I think I said a 445 range. We dipped back. Now we shot up here to the high point of like 452. And now we came back, and now we're starting to see a... Hey, Darcy says Glenn Burney, go Meta. Glenn Burney's only probably about... Glenn Burney's maybe like an hour away from me, honestly. So Glenn Burney is like really, really close. Yes, Glenn Burney is super close to where I live at. All right, we got Sandra there with the Rockets and the dancing. Yes, absolutely. Meta's testing and we're coming back up. What do we got here? I'm afraid of coming off the chart because I don't want to miss a big pop. Emla, all FOMO, all YOLO. Just kidding. Yeah. Harmony says, I live here in Texas. It's 100 here. I don't blame you. Stay cool and get a cold drink. Well, cold drink, guys. The good luck. The Mad Dog's the good luck. The Mad Dog is the good luck of the MMAT. Also got a soda here to wash it down. We'll give you guys a little piece of advice. If you guys like fountain sodas, this isn't sponsored or anything. This is just me loving the product. If you get your fountain sodas here at like your gas station, they make these things called Java socks, and you can put your fountain soda in your cup. Now this is like I think the large size Java sock because I get big drinks, man. If I have a small drink, I just like devour a small drink. So I get large drinks, put my drink in here, and I tell you what, you have your ice. You can have this drink 3, 4, 5 hours, and believe it or not, you still have ice. You can probably hear that. You know when I got this drink? 10 a.m. this morning. I got this drink 4 hours ago, guys. Got this drink 4 hours ago, and we still got ice. In a fountain drink. That's truly amazing. It's truly amazing how it works. But anyway, back to Meta. We're here at 440. Yeah, we're testing the 440. Let's go back here to... Let's refresh. Steve says we hit... What's it? Sandra, you're in St. Louis? Wow. That's pretty cool. My brother-in-law actually lives about 30 to 40 minutes outside of St. Louis. That is so funny. And my wife's been trying to get me to go up to St. Louis to visit him. That is truly cool. Wow, that's so funny. You're up near my brother-in-law. He's up there in St. Louis. That is so cool. Let me catch up with the chat here real quick. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, but get a Java sock. Yes, I'm telling you, man. If you love your fountain sodas and you like keeping your drinks with ice in them cold all day, best investment ever, man. Best investment ever. MAT version Java. Yeah, man. Can they make a Meta sock or something like something with Meta on it? That'd be pretty cool. Keep your drink cold all day. That would be truly phenomenal. Burn Shada, I'm out here in San Antonio. It gets hot as hell. Yeah, crematoria. I believe it, man. I know Texas can get brutal. We got Blue Hefner here saying how much you think we can squeeze to. Well, I'm going to tell you real quick back on the chart before we go here and looking. Meta's testing the 430s. We're coming down a little bit again, which is healthy. It is healthy to come back. I think we could see... We're at a test right here at the 430, 440 is a big test line. But the next one here is going to be 420 is kind of the next support. I don't think we'll shoot back that low, but we could tap this 430, 435. We'll see. It depends. It depends on what it's going to do, but we could shoot up, man. The chart is going to have to readjust if we bust up here past this line up here. All right. Roman says, so happy about this action. Went and bought another 100 shares of MMAT for the run-up next week. Yes, strut your stuff for the channel and give us a Ric Flair, Terry. I might have to, man. I might have to do the Ric Flair. I do got some old clips of when I did Ric Flair I did some, Ric Flair struts for Golden Nugget. I may have to come out and do a new one for MMAT Meta. That would be pretty cool. May have to see about doing that. All right, so why this is kind of consolidated. I think we're in a consolidation point. People's out here getting profits. Let's refresh MMAT here on the Fintel premium version. Ownership accumulation score still setting at 97.84. Hey, we got a couple new people on here showed up. When I did my video earlier, they wasn't on here, but now they are. So let's cover this. Now, hey, fine one, yes, January. I'm sure all calls are looking pretty phenomenal right now. Okay, so we covered this one, the U.S. mix. We did determine they sold 50% of their shares. That's what they did. So we got that answer. Now we got this one here. These are some small positions, but hey, they're positions. Pro Fund VP Small Cap bought 221 shares at $7.51. Man, I don't understand this. I think it's just a glitch. They've been having a lot of typos here. They've been having a lot of typos on the Fintel website, these average share prices. Like there's one down here saying average price is $40 and $71. Like I may have to ask. I think I may submit in a question asking about these average prices and why they are showing this way, because yeah, I don't understand. Like this one here is saying they have 303 shares at an average cost of $67.07. That can't be right. That just can't. Maybe $7.07 is the average, but yeah, that cannot be right. So let's go look under the sellers. Okay, and we did know this one was going to be here. So we finally got an update on some sellers. We got Northern Fund Small Cap Core Fund. Let's click on them and see what they did. So down here they sold 50% of their shares as well. And they sold 50% of shares. They had a 300% profit. I can't blame them. I mean, they had 300% profit. I mean, you know, if you're an index fund, you kind of have to take profits a little bit. You have to take profits when you can. So they sold 50%, nothing crazy. They sold 1,350 shares. They had 2,700 shares. They sold 30. So that's nothing big. We're not worried about that. That's nothing at all. That's not going to affect the stock in any way. Other one here, we covered the TIF. I did get you all answers in my video last night. If you see on any video, any stock you're ever covering, it has a negative number of shares, that means they borrowed those shares to short. I got the actual email reply in my video from last night from Fintel confirming that. It's what we thought it was, but we actually got the confirmation on that, guys, that that's exactly what it is. Do you think it'll break? We did break 450, but we didn't hold. So there was Sam there. Do you think we'll break through 450? We did break through it. We just didn't hold, unfortunately. So, and then we got, yeah, that's it there. That. Let's go to the short interest. Let's see if there's any updates on this. Still got the 8.42%. We've got the short squeeze score, 70.52. I think that came down just a hair. All right, we're coming down a little hard here, $4.28. So we are coming down. I think this 420 is going to be the tester. It's going to be the tester area. 420 is going to be the tester area right here. So we'll see. We could stop about right here and go back up. We've kind of seen it. I mean, look at this drop here. It was up here at like 438. Dropped down to 419, so about 20 cents. And now we're back up to 430. So we'll see what happens. It dropped about 20 cents. So if we were up here at 448, 450. We come back to 430. That's that 20-cent healthy pullback I think we'll see here. We're going to shoot back up. It kind of seems to do that. It does about a 20-cent correction, and then it just keeps mooning up. Oh no, 420, everyone panics still. Yeah, ain't no one selling at these prices, guys. I can tell you that. I'm not selling anywhere near these prices. All right, let's see. Oh, we got a little update here on the Fintel. We got a lot of short selling information here, actually. And let's see. When I covered the video earlier, I believe there was... So we had 10,000 shares. We had 15,000 shares. We had 90,000. 85,000 shares 3 hours ago. 3 hours ago we had 75,000. 2 hours ago we had 80,000. 2 hours ago we had 65,000. 1 hour ago we had 75,000, and 1 hour ago we had 250,000. So someone did return a lot, but we don't know if those are short shares being returned or what. This was updated 6 minutes ago. And we got the short bar rate fee. Now I'm kind of shocked with all the volume and the percentage going up that this actually came down. I'm a little shocked. I would like to see this actually go up more, because it says 1 hour ago it was 2.13%. That's the lowest it's been since back on the 24th of this whole chart. And that was updated 6 minutes ago. So yeah, I think that's pretty up to date there on that. We did cover this in the video today. Nothing for the 27 yet, but short volume has went down. I think people's little nervous. Let's put it that way. People's getting a little nervous of shorting the stock. All right, and I think that's it for that. We got any short transactions for today? No short transactions yet or anything, guys. Channel. Man, 135 people watching, man. Thank you all so much. This is truly phenomenal. All right, so we're back up here looking. 432. This is what I'm saying. We're going to see this is a crucial point. We're either going to keep going up or we're going to consolidate in this channel, I think. Consolidation is possible, but we will see. We will see what happens. What we got here? Man, the 52-week low was 42 cents. Wow. That's probably from when it was, well, I guess not. I guess that was probably from Torch, I'm guessing. A little bit of Torch probably carried over there. What do we got here going on Twitter? I think my chat, maybe. Let me go check. Is my... Make sure my live... Ain't seen no chat, so I'm wondering if the live... Can someone just do a chat to make sure that we're still rocking and rolling? I know we've been going a while. I don't know if the internet messed up. Let me just do a tester. Okay, cool. We're live. Cool. Just making sure. I was getting a little nervous. No one was saying anything. I just wanted to do a tester. Cool. That's all I needed to know. All right. Thank you, thank you. That's all I needed to know, guys. Make sure we're still alive, because I know the internet was, we're just eating Popeyes leftover, my man. I love me some Popeyes, yes. Oh, my God. Oh, I love it. Just eating some Popeyes. That is like the quote of the day, man. I love it. Freaking Popeyes. I love it, man. My hands oily. Oh, God, I love it. Russell, don't sell under 100. You're doing yourself a disservice for selling. Hey, that's everyone's decision to make what they want to do with selling. I have no intentions of selling right now. Like I said, I'm going to play it off how I feel. I have no intention of selling this. I like to see it. Oh, man. Wish I knew about this before, Dylan. Yeah. there's probably people coming into Meta now that are new, and that's possible. And we, you know, that's what I'm saying. Go back and watch old videos. You want to understand. You go back in my video history, and you will see all the Meta videos I covered and why we believe that this. You know, not saying that we wanted this to be a short squeeze stock, but if we get the short squeeze, hell yeah, we're going to take it. We're going to take those profits, and we're going to use those profits to buy in more shares for the long term. That's the point of the short squeeze, is that if it happens, that's great. We can sell out high, take all the profits, let the stock, you know, healthy correct, and then just, yeah, I mean, honestly, right now it's a good entry. I mean, it really is honestly a good entry. Just my opinion. For what it's worth, my opinion. All right, let's go to Google. Because I want to see where support's still hanging at, man. That has me just blown away. I cannot get over that. That is just amazing. That's true. It is very cheap. Let me go to the support stock, Google. Yeah, support's consolidating, it looks like right now, and I'm wondering if we'll do this. Man, that is nuts, guys. Wow. If it rips again, I see 460 to 490. Yeah, I agree. This is nuts, man. This is truly, truly nuts to see support. Now, we go back on the 5-day chart. This really gives me an idea of if Meta can do the same thing, we can see similar, you know, trends in the 5-day chart. Let me pull up Google Meta. MMAT with the 5-day. Man, I tell you what, look at these charts. It's starting to be similar. Sandra says vegan, no Popeyes for me. Oh, well, you know, it is what it is, man. Everyone has, you know, whatever they like. Nothing wrong with being vegan. There's a lot of vegan good food out there. Doesn't matter to me what it was 5 days ago. But yeah, I mean, comparing these 5-day charts, look at that, man. It was down here to 289. Congratulations to anyone buying in. Congratulations, man. You're doing phenomenal right now. But yeah, look at this here. This 5-day chart is warming up. And if you look here at support, it was warming up. And it had its first big jump or squeeze, whatever you want to call it. It just kept slowly over a 5-day period climbing. Now, I can say the same thing. Steve, 500 at 428. Let's go. Yes, sir. That is awesome, Steve. All right, what do we got here? Okay. So yeah, if Meta can just slowly go up like this, I love it. I love seeing it. And then the big jump, a small consolidation, another jump, I would love to hold through that as well, guys. I would love to hold through that. Let's go back here. We're in 420s now. We're coming down to that 420 tester. That's what we're coming at, is the 420. 420 tester, guys. This is going to be the next crucial point. We hit this before. We hit this earlier, and we bounced off of it hard and shot up. So I think we could touch this line. I think this is the support. 420 is the support. But even if it goes through and comes down, I mean, we're still happy. I mean, we're happy where this went today. We are truly, truly happy where this stock went today. That is for sure. We are truly happy where this stock is at. So, yeah, guys, I don't know, man. Support setting at 50 bucks. It's looking pretty good, actually. Like to see Meta do the same exact thing. I would love to see it do the same thing. All right, so we're coming down here a little steep here, a little hard. And yeah, that could be people taking profits, or maybe shorts are loading up now. They see the stock go up 20-some%. Maybe shorts are loading up. That is definitely possible. Shorts could be loading up. I think we'll test the 420, and we're either going to see it come down a little more, or we'll consolidate, or we may bust back up to 450, which is possible. So guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. I think we've been streaming now over 2 hours, man. I just want to say thank you all so much for being a part of the stream. This was a good time. I appreciate everyone's support in the chat. Go check out Sterling. I do believe man Sterling stock is going to be live streaming here soon for the market close. So I want to get off here and give him time to let you guys get a little bit of a break for Sterling so you guys can go support Sterling as well. I'll try to hop on his live premiere as well. I was just happy to hear to cover all this phenomenal breakthroughs in Meta, up over 20% today. And yeah, I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. And I may come out with a video tonight. I don't know. We covered a lot of information. Maybe we can do a recap tonight. It's a 2-hour stream. Get you some of that. So have a drink in honor of Meta. Get some Mad Dog, whatever you want to do. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.